This is crazy that I cycle 9.5 kilometer for 2 hours. My speed is 4.8. Maximum speed is 4.47. I climb up 458. No more village road. So many traffics keep coming and makes me nervous. Touristic area, so every hotel is crazy expensive. I can see the road where I need to go. I set up tent. I found some cottage. It's quite cold, so I'm going to wear something for my neck. This area is really cold. I wear everything. It's not like extremely cold. If I actually stay under my sleeping bag, it's alright. I'm going to cook very simple meal, just pasta and this. I don't have actually other things. This is the only one I have. I'm super hungry. This is 250 grams. I always have this problem. Should I put more or not? Should I put more or not? I'm really hungry. So probably I put 200 grams. I don't know where I get this pepper and salt. Where was it? I don't remember. Oh, it's so good. Oh, this sauce is really good. Or I'm super hungry. This is around 1,400 above sea level, but quite cold and I'm very hungry, so it's very delicious. So good. I think it's one of the best pasta I ever made. Even I didn't put anything and it's just good. I'm going to eat inside because this will make my tent warmer a bit. Oh, I'm so satisfied with my simple pasta. It's 4 a.m. and they play some radio on whole mountain. 5 a.m. they play radio again. Oh, it is really difficult to sleep again, and I have a really long day. I have climbed up to the highest point. You see, I was alright. They play radio again at 6. Okay, they turn off at 20, after 20 minutes. It's 7 a.m. and they play music again, the radio. I'm not sure actually, they play radio from 4 a.m. to 7 p.m. every hour. This is the place where I put the tent, and the road is next. And there's a radio. This is very nice, cozy shelter. Finally, good morning. I have a cup of coffee and then leave here. Oh, coffee is always good. Huge thanks to this shelter. It was amazing, very well protected. And now I'm going to cycle uphill. 한국.
한국.
아, 한국.
这样哦。한국 소이
Very chewy, sticky. 这个好吃，
好吃吗？
好吃，谢谢。拜拜。
拜拜。
That was so delicious. I bought another one. I'm going to eat later. Ooh. This is beautiful. Wow. This is the perfect place to have a rest. Whoa. Ta-da! I'm so tired. It's so much steep uphill. Now I'm on 1880. Oh, I'm having back pain because it's too steep uphill. Why I was okay on small roads? There was no traffic, so I could do zigzag. But now cars keep passing, so I have to just go straight up, and oh, it's too steep. My knee is okay, leg is okay, but back is hurt. I'm not sure I can actually climb all this mountain and going down today. 2143 meters above sea level, and here I got the resting point. My phone's battery is running out, my GoPro is running out, so I must charge here and maybe have some lunch. Happiest moment, make it lighter, and now I'm going to buy, throw away and get more, throw away and get another thing. Now I'm going to the highest point. Last 10 kilometer road become easier and way less traffic. Wow, it's so beautiful. The fog makes the scenery really beautiful. Wow. There's monkey. Are you asking food? I'm nearly on the top. Oh, I have a back pain. I need a rest. And there's good news. I found the accommodation on the map. It didn't show up on booking.com and agoda.com, so I didn't know. And it's a pretty cheap place. It's for backpackers who hiking this mountain in Taiwan. Oh, my back is so hurt. I'm not on period. This is purely from uphill. It's first time I'm having back pain from uphill. This is it. I'm nearly on the top. This was tough. I made it. It's incredibly quiet. Unbelievable. So quiet. 你好.
你好。
It's a hostel?
Yeah, no, today no open.
No.
Close.
Oh, no?
No, 今天没有。
Oh, but
这样可以吗？
哦，可以，谢谢。
可以吗？
哦，谢谢，谢谢你。韩国。
Oh, Korea.
Today why close?
No.
CPR.
Ah. Only today?
Yeah.
It's very quiet. Workers say that because it's winter season, definitely it's really cold. So it's totally understandable. And also New Year's coming, so people are saving there for holiday. It has been a really long time that I watched this kind of amazing sunset. What? Bye bye sun, see you tomorrow. It has been a really long time I say bye bye to sun. Today is the day I wanna greet to sun. See you tomorrow. Good morning. It's crazy, freezing cold. It's really winter cold. It's so cold. I put this my sleeping mattress because it's really thin, and my mattress helps a lot. This blanket is really good, but the problem is, of my sleeping, I feel some cold air, so I fix my blanket to block the cold air coming. It keeps happens like wake up several times. Yesterday I couldn't sleep well, and it was a long day. It was really difficult uphill, so still very tired. And I have to check out here at 9 a.m. This is the rule. And I think the step like worried that I keep sleeping. So at 8 o'clock he actually opened the door, and like I answer like in kind of like, well, okay, let's prepare to leave. This is really interesting place. Is like you have to take your garbage with you back. So it's really like sleeping in the mountain, like mountain hut. Very nice fancy mountain hut. I really like this place. It's a very unique place. I feel like I'm a hiker at mountain. Today I'm going to have a really long run from 2,600 to 200. So I must check the brake. The rear brake is a bit quite loosened, so I must fix this. All my brakes good now. The air is so good. The weather is stunning. So blue, no cloud. This is it. This area is really dry. Having crack, and it's bleeding here, but it's worth. Oh, look at this beautiful scenery. Oh, la la. I just got food from the information center restaurant, and I got coffee. It was amazing, right? And there's so many parachute. Now it's super hot. Oh, sorry.